Hello and welcome to Exam Chala. Today in this video, we are going to see some important news and editorial analysis of 1st of June 2021. But before getting started, kindly do like, share, subscribe our channel on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Telegram. You can also download our application from the Play Store, where in the store section you can enjoy various of interesting live courses of SBI Clerk, UPSC, GPSC, RRB, Group D exams and whatnot, where you will be getting free demo classes, study materials, mock test, live classes, as well as online doubt solving sessions. So let us move on to the main video. The first article is about the names of the variants. Recently आपने जो controversy सुनी होगी, that is the names of the variants of the COVID-19 cases. So it led to a different controversies in the different areas, and that is why the World Health Organization had decided to not to name them in the name of the countries where they are origin, because of the multiple protests by the different countries, like the UK variant or the Indian variant or the Chinese variant or the Brazilian variant or the US variant. So many of these countries have actually confirmed it or have raised a question to the WHO that they are not in confidence with the naming of these variants in the name of their country. हाल ही में भारत में भी देखा होगा कि आपने किस तरह से जो दिल्ली के जो चीफ मिनिस्टर है उन्होंने एक सिंगापुर वेरिएंट का नाम दे दिया. एंड दैट इज़ वाई द सिंगापुर डिफेंस मिनिस्टर और इवन फॉरेन मिनिस्टर कमेंटेड ऑन दैट, एंड इंडिया हैज़ टू reply. Indian foreign minister had to reply on that no, the chief minister of Delhi does not speak for the Indian government. That is why there has been a decided to name them these variants with a different word letters using Greek word letters. So that is very important, Greek word letters like alpha, gamma, beta and radiation. Now what is important for our exam point of view is first two important, that is for Indian, those kind of variants which have been found in India, that was B1617.1, that is known as the Kappa variant, and another was B1617.2, that is the Delta variant. So these two are the important variants. Apart from that, there are many alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. So these are all mathematical and Greek symbols have been used in order to avoid the controversy regarding the naming of the variants. And since World Health Organization has been the premier body to make this, so it is very important who has actually taken this, and where has India has two different strains of this SARS-CoV virus, and these are nothing but Kappa, that is B1617.1, and B1617.2 is Delta. Another very interesting news is coming from the two China policy. So after 5 years, 2016 में जब उन्होंने टू चाइल्ड पॉलिसी लगाई थी, after that it allows, the Chinese Communist Party has actually allowed to have a 3 children also. So recently there was a news that first time in a decade China has seen a decline in their population, and with that decline in their population there is a grave concern about the labor force, participation of the labor force, the aging population. And that is why people जो इंडिया में भी पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी की वकालत करते हैं, पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल मेजर, नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी, और इवन if you want to copy the Chinese model of only two child policy, now we also need to see that why China is actually doing away with this two child policy which is adopted into 2016. 2016 में जो पॉलिसी अडॉप्ट की थी, now the Communist Party and the announcement by the ruling Communist Party representative that it may allow the third child also. So recently, which of the countries or which of the Indian leaders which are actually promoting the population control measures by maintaining the two child policy, we should also have 2 or 3 different sections. Of first positive point will be, yes, there will be a control in population, and when there is a control in population there will be better spending on health, education of that particular children, and there will be less burden on the natural resource. But the negative points will be, if the aging population increases or there is no young population to replace that aging population, what will happen? The labor force will increase, and when the labor force is going to decrease, what is happening? The GDP is going to decrease, and that is why when seeing when Japan, the working age population is going to decrease, and that is why it is estimated that its economy is further going to decrease, because it is cannot stay on the older aging population and only on technology and financing. And that is why you might have seen Japan is giving, or Japanese banks are giving the loans in the negative interest rate. Negative interest rate में भी लोगों को लोन दिए जा रहे हैं. Why? Because of their non entrepreneurship, and that is why they are trying to invest in Africa, Asia, Asian development banks. That is why, because of the less participation in the GDP of the young and youth population. Similarly, in the case of many European countries also, like Switzerland, okay, Norway, these type of countries. So if we are also planning to implement such kind of two-child policy for India, we should also have to take measures that the countries who have actually applied the two-child policy in 2016 is incompletely in the way or mood of doing away this. But the population, what about the people of the China? They are actually not in complete favor. They actually are very skeptical. ठीक है, उनको बहुत संशय है इस बात में कि 3-child पॉलिसी के लिए जो 3-child, they are actually not in favor of 3-child, not even of 2-child. We have seen many of the Chinese cities are actually, or when the Chinese young people are actually unmarried, they are not having children. Why? Because of the burden or change in lifestyle, long working hours, okay, old age homes facility nahi hai, there is no baby care facility. So with the increase in urbanization and urban culture and the nuclear family culture, what is happening is both the parents, when are working, they also need a baby care facility. Okay, since they are having a long day of working, some of the persons are working on 2 shifts, 3 shifts, they are not sure of parenting. And that is why, with the change in lifestyle, there has been a scene in a declination in the world history. If you see the history of Europe, there was a time when the population was increasing, and sometimes the population stabilizes, and then in this era, especially after the 21st century, there is seen in a decline in the population, because due to the change in the lifestyle and due to having a long more economic interest rather than the family and the societal interest, population, the parenting, parents also do not want more childs. Even most of the young population are actually not committed to marry in these Korean countries, Chinese, etc. country, and that is why the population is also on the brink to down. In India, there is a demographic dividend, that is, we are going to have young population, or our 40%, near about 40% population is young, and it is able to generate GDP. It is the limit of the labor force, and that is why up to 20, 40 and 50 we are having a young population. And after this era, those people who are actually in the young 40% young age group will start to decline. And since if we apply such 2-child policy or 1-child policy or restricted population policy, then there may be a case just like China, because our labor force will decrease and the dream of getting the economical superpower may sometime be compromised. So we have to understand both the positive as well as the negative impact of the population control policy. This article is very important about the saving childhood, the conditions of the children during the pandemic when their parents are in COVID wards, or even some of the parents have succumbed to the injuries and the deaths. So how the government should take and what actually the government is doing. Recently, Karnataka government ने जो फर्स्ट लॉकडाउन के टाइम हैज़ डन समथिंग वेरी रिमार्केबल. सो ऑनलाइन स्कूल स्टडी को छोड़ के दे स्टार्टेड गिविंग सम डेली एक्टिविटी वर्क, स्पेशली बेस्ड ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल और लोकल चैनल्स. The local Anganwadi peoples and local healthcare workers regularly visited those children at least up to 6 to 18 years. They were given a regular physical work to do, a regular activity based on channel activity instead of just on online education. So they just wanted to keep them going and to keep them interactive. So in the second wave, when most of the parents or most of the children are actually having one of their parents lost or having a illiterate condition, what the government should do is first 2 things. First is just like the Bihar government ने अभी कुछ किया है, that is if a children has lost both of his parents, अगर किसी व्यक्ति के बच्चे की दोनों पेरेंट्स की मृत्यु हो गई है, then up to 18 years he or she will get near about 1,500 to 2,000 rupees per month, and all of the educational expenses will be taken by this. So such kind of measures should also be taken by the developed states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu in order to compensate their studies. Also, if the parents of these children are actually COVID positive, though the isolation ward or the training ward should be such that the children should be able to cope up. The long of isolation has seen a mental pressure and into the mental retardedness of the children. and that is why we need to understand the mental state of mind of the children when the parents are actually treated with the COVID-19 situation. And these isolation ward, certain hospitals should also be made with isolation ward of the children so that they can actually interact with their parents, because keeping away from them their parents for a long time may actually physically handle them and also emotionally. With also there has been a cases, बहुत सारे cases आए हैं. There is sexual abuse cases by family members also, child trafficking cases, violation of the cases, POXO cases. So these type of cases are also going to see because of the loss of parents, or since their parents are actually admitted in the different COVID wards or actually being treated with the COVID-19 conditions. Children are currently vulnerable section of the society, and that is why they are going to be treated permanently, and they should be treated with a proper care and at most a new policy towards their holistic development and measurement, and to take care of the mental pressure as well as to indulge them into the physical activity, and to assure them or to generate or to announce a welfare policy for those kind of children who become orphaned. Okay, we should also take care, or we should also regulate those adoption centers, because some of the adoption centers are fake. They are actually indulged in child trafficking. बहुत सारे जो adoption centers है, they are actually indulged in child trafficking, so they should also be checked. Proper NGO should be checked. So based on the POXO rules, prevention of sexual crimes against the children should also be maintained. Other child trafficking, other child pornography, this should be also be curtailed and maintained, because to these children of this age, which are actually under 6 to 18, are actually going to be the future of our country, and if they are physically and emotionally weak, that will going to harm our geographic, demographic dividend. Now next article is very interesting about the Pakistan diplomacy and how India is going to tackle. किस तरह से पाकिस्तान ने अपने बनने के साथ साथ ही अभी तक अपने डिप्लोमेसी को हैंडल किया है, और किस तरह से इंडिया को कभी उसे छोटा नहीं समझना है बिकॉज ऑफ द इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट जियोग्राफिकल लोकेशन. Now what we see is the important location of Pakistan is very important because it is a gateway of Central Asia. So Central Asia के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा गेटवे है, स्पेशली फ्रॉम द अरेबियन सी, एंड दिस स्पेशल geographical location has actually helped in Pakistan shaping their foreign policy. And then C. Raja Mohan is discussing about the whole journey of Pakistan foreign policy and why India should not उसको हल्के में नहीं लेना चाहिए, स्पेशली their foreign policy. Why? Because of their important geopolitical location. First is the USA needs Pakistan. Why? Because of their control in the Afghanistan region. Even if they are coming out of the Afghanistan, they cannot live completely isolated. So they will need a certain kind of base or a military base or a transposition base, and this will be given by Pakistan. Similarly, this recent relation between the China and the Pakistan is also being improved in order to balance India. So Pakistan has found different ways. अलग अलग समय पर अलग अलग तरीक़ों से उसने अपने लिए कुछ ना कुछ जुगाड़ कर ही लिया है, and that is why their economic condition may be weak, but they are actually exploiting their foreign policy in a very good manner, and especially their geographical location, because they are the only gateway of the Central Asia, and to have a proper balance in the South Asia as well as a relation between South Asia and the Central Asia. So be it Iran, be it Afghanistan, or be it some other countries, even some areas in the early 60s and 70s when India and Russia were friends. So USA used Pakistan as a base to counter the communism and counter the rise of India. Similarly, when China is rising, so USA is using India. So all this geopolitics is actually limited to the national interest. So what is saying that कि कोल्ड वार के समय में पाकिस्तान की डिप्लोमेसी ब्रिलियंट थी because it assigned a treaty with USA also, और चाइना के साथ भी they were having a secret treaty. Why? Because China was able to maintain a secret relation with Pakistan because Pakistan was having a same kind of difficulty or skeptical nature. पाकिस्तान को जो भारत से डर था, उस डर का फ़ायदा उठाकर China also maintained a relationship with Pakistan, and in turn Pakistan developed as a channel of communication between USA and China. So there was a secret communication between USA and China where Pakistan became a base. Why it was done? Because China has used भारत का डर दिखाकर, actually Pakistan has joined the USA and the anti-communist forces. But since China was also a communist country, but क्योंकि वो एक नेबरहुड में है और भारत के अगेंस्ट दर्द दिखाकर China has used Pakistan to have a deal with USA and talking with USA, especially at the time where China was weak in comparison to the USA. And that is why during the Cold War time, Pakistan diplomacy was brilliant in pursuing special relationship with Mao Zedong China, even it signed the American Anti-Communal Alliance. It became a bridge between USA and China. Why? Because of the Indian context and the South Indian context. अभी क्या हो रहा है कि रिलेशन जो है दे स्टार्टेड अ सीक्रेट डिप्लोमेसी बिटवीन वाशिंगटन एंड बीजिंग. नाउ विथ द विड्रॉल ऑफ द ट्रूप्स, जब तक अफ़गानिस्तान में यूएसए रहा तब तक इट नीडेड पाकिस्तान द मोस्ट. इवन अब जब वो जा रहे हैं देन पाकिस्तान मे हैव अ डिफरेंट स्केप्टिकल मोशन कि अब चले जाएंगे तो भाई पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे, मनी कहाँ से आएगी, व्हाट विल बी आवर इम्पैक्ट, व्हाट विल बी आवर पोजीशन इन दैट एरिया. बट स्टिल USA will need a base in South Asia, especially to control these activities, because Taliban has not ended. So there is no guarantee that they will not attack USA in further. So what the USA is doing, America क्या कर रहा है कि वहाँ से बस they are ready to go, but they have not settled the condition. So the Afghanistan condition is not settled yet, and it is never going to be settled. And that is why the solution will be to take care from the outside, and then they need a base to control Taliban, especially in Pakistan. And that is why Pakistan wants to cement a relation with US, even जो काबुल से डायरेक्ट रिलेटेड ना हो बट पाकिस्तान के लिए भलाई के लिए हो. एंड दैट इज़ वाई क्योंकि अभी चाइना के साथ रिलेशन उसके ज़्यादा परस्पर दिख रहे हैं. एंड दैट इज़ वाई USA इज़ गोइंग मोर टुवर्ड्स इंडिया. बट अ टाइम व्हेन पाकिस्तान विल स्विप or when there will be need recently, because we have seen there has been a high level contact signing between Pakistan and Joe Biden. USA knows that they cannot leave Pakistan without any relation, because it is a gateway of Central Asia as well as maintaining the South Asian politics. Though the focus has been changing from Central Asia to the Asia Pacific or Indo-Pacific rather, but they do need a base. They do need a dirty people. USA को अपने अफ़गानिस्तान में गंदे काम करने के लिए, so to do all the dirty works, what they need is a dirty army, and they will pay money, and all the dirty works, all the limited, all the secret operations will be conducted by these people, because they need only money. And that is why when India got independence 1947, Nehru's vision was, because we are not having any external threat. He never posed China as a threat. Even Pakistan was not seen as a threat, but Pakistan was always insecure about India, and that is why it joined USA, and we remained non-cooperation movement. So we actually became the part of non-allying movement. So we will neither join USA nor USSR, though since Nehru was socialist, and so it has a kind of alienation towards socialist USSR. But we actually moved toward the NAM movement, and Pakistan signed a complete deal with USA, and that made a part with SEATO, Southeast Asian Treaty Organization, and CENTO, Central Asian Treaty Organization, just like NATO. So जो नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रीटी बनाई गई थी कम्युनिज्म को यूरोप में रोकने के लिए, ठीक उसी तरह से सेंट्रल एशिया या साउथ एशिया में भी कम्युनिस्ट कंट्रीज़ को रोकने के लिए देयर वाज अ ट्रीटी दैट वाज नेम एज सियाटो, साउथ ईस्ट एशियन ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड सेंटो, सेंट्रल एशियन ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. दोनों का पार्ट पाकिस्तान बनता है. वाई? बिकॉज पाकिस्तान इज़ इनसिक्योर अबाउट इंडिया, एंड जस्ट टू गेट सेफ फ्रॉम इंडिया, एंड नेहरू वॉज अ प्रो रशियन लीडर, पाकिस्तान मूव टूवर्ड USA. But China also used Pakistan because of its relation with the skeptical nature, and then China or Pakistan act as a chain of communication between USA and China for the long time, at least up to 1990s. When after 1990s, when China got rise, China की economic power जब बढ़ती है and China poses threats to the USA, then the communication channel breaks. But still Pakistan enjoyed because of the Central Asian reach and the Afghanistan policy of the USA, even for controlling Iraq or Iran. So USA needs a base in a country where people just go for money and will do anything, and that is why Pakistan will always be in play. ठीक है. So all the Anglo-American जो कि क्रूसेड कर रहे थे इंग्लिश French, German people or American people who were actually against the communist people. They needed Pakistan in the Central Asia, and that is why अपने geographical position की वजह से एक बार फिर द पाकिस्तान एक्चुअली एक्वायर्ड अ गुड रिलेशन। हर बार उसे पैसे मिल जाते थे, तो उसकी पोजीशन ऐसी रही है और टाइमिंग उसने ऐसी रही। उसके साथ साथ दे हैव स्मार्टली यूज देयर फॉरेन डिप्लोमेसी इन सच ए वे दैट हर किसी लड़ाई में, हर किसी मामले में थोड़ा बहुत उनको खाना पीना मिल जाता है। लाइक द पीपल हु गेट्स इनटू एवरी पार्टी एंड गेट्स हिट्स फूड टू बी completed. Unlike India, because we had a several ideology and several meeting and we never wanted to or became a part of any of the grouping. और इसीलिए there was a time in 60s and 70s where Pakistan was comparatively more going better than India and they are having a better condition. But what happened is later on the democracy did not succeed. Okay, continuously वहाँ पर तख्ता पलट होते रहे, military organizations came into power, they went to complete Islamization, religion came into play, then the politics. So welfare of the people was kept behind, and that is why the situations became worse. Had it been a better governed country, it would have been a better position in comparison to India, what is till now. So Pakistan signed over SEATO as well as CENTO. Why? Because of a grouping between USA, Britain and Pakistan to stop USSR and China. But still US and China were having a complete or secret dialogues. एंड दैट इज़ वाई रिलेशन जो पाकिस्तान के साथ रिलेशन है यूएसए का भले ही अप डाउन होता हो, बट चाइना के साथ रिलेशन हैज़ मेंटेन्ड. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द इंडिया. एंड दैट इज़ वाई वी नीड टू इंडियन diplomacy completely. Delhi needs to understand the Pakistan ability and the position. So we cannot undermine कि ठीक है उसकी इकोनॉमी ख़राब हो गई, हालत ख़राब है, उसकी डिप्लोमेसी ठीक नहीं है, चल रही है. Okay, there is a lot of Islamization, culture and religion is playing better role than governance. It's everything is good, but due to its location and a particular game of play between USA and China जो वो गेम प्ले करता रहा है, so USA we cannot completely avoid और चाइना के साथ उसका रिलेशन है एंड बोथ आर ड्यू टू इंडिया. सो सम थिंग्स ड्यू टू इंडिया चाइना पाकिस्तान इज ऑलवेज गेटिंग फेवर्ड और ड्यू टू इट्स जियोग्राफिकल लोकेशन. सो व्हाट सी राजा मोहन इज सेइंग कि रिसेंटली द इंडिया विच इज स्पीकिंग दैट पाकिस्तान डिप्लोमेसी ऑफ इज नो यूज एंड वी आर टेकिंग ए लाइटर मोड, वी शुड ऑलवेज टेक केयर दैट द इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड वर्क्स ऑन द नेशनल इंटरेस्ट. तो जब तक यूएसए का इंटरेस्ट हमारे साथ है, इवन जब तक चाइना का इंटरेस्ट पाकिस्तान के साथ है, वो उसके साथ रहेंगे. देर इज़ नथिंग कॉल आइडियलिज्म. सो वी कैन नॉट completely, if we are today with the USA, even Jaishankar also went to USA and they are having a good tie. We cannot completely depend on USA for our foreign policy because कभी टाइम ऐसा आएगा then Pakistan and USA will take a side and they will move against India if the situation permits, if the time permits. So this was all about the foreign policy. If you have to understand the international relation, this article is very important. You need to read it and make a note of it. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care.